Hi kids, good morning. Welcome to Ideal Others Education Institution. Welcome to online class. Standard 7th standard. Subject Science. Unit 1 Measurement. Some questions. How to measure the vegetables? How to measure the cloth? How to measure the liquid things? How to measure the time? Vegetable used instrument kilogram unit. The instrument name physical balance. Cloth measure the instrument meter scale. Meter scale unit meter. Liquid things measure in measuring jar. Milk, kerosene. Liquid things used in measuring. How to see the time? Time see used in watch, wall clock, etc. You see the topic fundamental and derived physical quantity, fundamental and derived units. Generally, physical quantities are classified into two types, namely first one fundamental quantities and second one derived quantities. Generally, physical quantities are classified into two types, namely first one fundamental quantities and second one derived quantities. What is mean by fundamental quantity? A fundamental quantity means a set of physical quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantities are known as fundamental quantities. Their corresponding units are called fundamental units. Fundamental quantity means a set of a physical quantity which cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantity are known as fundamental quantities. There is corresponding unit are called fundamental units. Fundamental quantity 7 fundamental quantity. First of all, length. Second of all, mass. Third one, time. Fourth one, temperature. Fifth one, electric current. Sixth one, amount of substance. Seventh one, luminous intensity. 7 fundamental quantities. Length fundamental quantities unit meter, symbol m. Mass fundamental quantity fundamental units kilogram, symbol kg. Time fundamental quantity unit second, symbol s. Temperature fundamental quantity, the fundamental units Kelvin, symbol K. Electric current fundamental quantity, electric current fundamental quantity ampere. Amount of suspense fundamental quantity unit mole, symbol mol. Luminous intensity fundamental quantity unit candela, short form cd. So 7 fundamental quantities units meter, kilogram, second, kelvin, ampere, mole, candela. Symbols meter m, kilogram kg, second s, kelvin k, ampere a, mole mol, candela cd. 7 fundamental quantities. Next call derived quantity. What is mean by derived quantity? All other physical quantity which cannot be obtained by multiplying, dividing, or by mathematically combining the fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities. Derived quantity means all other physical quantity which cannot be obtained by multiplying, dividing, or by mathematically combine the fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities. Derived quantity. Some examples. Area, length into breadth, unit, meter into meter, square meter or meter square. Volume, length into breadth into height, meter into meter into meter, cube meter or meter cube. Speed equal to distance by time, meter per second or ms power minus 1. Electric charge, electric current into time, A into S, AS or coulomb. Density, mass by volume, kg divided by meter cube or kg m power minus 3 is derived quantity. Example 5. Totally 22 derived quantities. Area, volume, speed, electric charge, density. Measurement. Measurement, one branch is physical quantity. Physical quantity, two type, one fundamental quantity, another one derived quantity. The fundamental quantity, fundamental units, derived quantity, derived units. The fundamental quantity to measure the very long distance. Derived quantity, example, area, volume, density. Area, regular object, formula, irregular object, uh, graph sheet method. Volume, regular object, measure, formula. Irregular object, measure, arithmetic principle. Volume of the liquid, measure, measuring jar and liter. Density, definition and formula. Relations between density, volume, area. Examples, very long distance measure in astronomical unit and light year. General topic, measurement, physical quantity, fundamental quantity, derived quantity. Next one, area. What is mean by area? The area is a measure of how much space there is on a flat surface. The area of the plot of land is derived by multiplying the length and breadth. Area equal to length and breadth, unit meter square. Area is a derived quantity as we obtain R by multiplying twice of the fundamental physical quantity length. So area is a derived quantity as we obtain R by multiplying twice of the fundamental physical quantity length. Area of regular shaped figures. The area of the regular shaped figures used formula. Area of some regular shaped figures, plane figures, square, side into side, formula A into A equal to A square, rectangle, diagram of the figures, length and breadth, L into B, LB, circle, diagram figure, by into radius square, by into R square, by R square, triangle figure, half into base into height, half into B into H. The area of the some regular shaped figures, square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Square A square, rectangle L into B, circle by R square, triangle of B into H. Area of irregular shaped figures. In your daily life, we encounter many irregular shaped figures like leaves, maps, stickers of stars, of flowers, peacock feathers, etc. The area of the such irregular shaped figures cannot be calculated using any formula. How many we find the area of this irregular shaped object? We can find the area of this figure with the help of a graph sheet. Graph sheet to use to measure the area of irregular shaped figure. Graph sheet. Area of the irregular shaped plane figure measured. Take a leaf from any one of the tree in your neighborhood. Place the leaf on a graph sheet and draw the outline of the leaf with a pencil. Remove the leaf. You can see the outline of the leaf on the graph sheet. Now count the number of whole square enclosed within the outline of the leaf. Take it to be m. And second, then count the number of the square that are more than half. Take it as n. Next, count the number of square which are half of the whole square. Note it to be b. Finally, count the number of square that are less than half. Let it to qb. So now the approximate area of the leaf can be calculated using the following formula. The approximate area of the leaf equal to m plus 3 divided by 4 into n plus 1 by 2 p plus 1 by 4 q square centimeter area of the leaf. This formula can be used to calculate the area of any irregular shaped plane figure. Thank you.